Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and today I'm not here alone. I am here with the beautiful, the lovely, the sexy, the mommy cuts of Lagos. I am here with the beautiful Adiola, normally known as Diadem, and today we're here to celebrate the launch of her new eyeshadow palette. You guys know I'm a big fan of the Beauty by AD powders, the glosses, and whatever it is she comes out with, they're always of very good quality, and you guys already know that I use her product here a lot, so let me stop blabbing. Today we're launching the new eyeshadow palette, and I'm sure Diola is very excited to tell you guys about this palette. But first we're going to toast to the palette. Yes.
Yay!
Can we toast
Yes.
This one is sweet. Alright guys, so I'm going to let Diadem talk to you about this palette. Luckily for me, I was ready to be involved. I was lucky to be involved in the process of making this eyeshadow palette and also picking out the colors. Hence, alright? Alright. Over to you, Diola.
Okay, I'm just going to say good afternoon.
Diola is YouTube.
Hi guys. Okay, I'm not used to this, so pardon me. Okay, so where do I begin? This palette. Okay, I think I'll begin with the name. I named this palette after my beautiful daughter.
Oh,
Her name is Akorede Imani. So when I was pregnant, I decided like, oh, since I'm pregnant, I needed to do something for my, people, my baddies. So because I already have setting powders, lip glosses, lipsticks, and all of that. So I wanted to do something a bit colorful. Not a bit colorful, very colorful, because the palettes are really colorful. So I called my girl Ugo, because I'm not the how will I put it?
not the eyeshadow girl.
Eyeshadow girl. You can see my eyes, Chinese eyes. So I called my girl because she's an amazing makeup artist. She's my friend. Amazing friend, yeah. So I called her up like, girl, what do you think? I need to, do something for the baddies. And I want to do eyeshadow palette. I need you to come. Let's pick out colors, because I know you're good with colors. You do amazing eye looks on your clients and all of that, even on yourself. So come through. And my girl came. She came around. We ate. Daddy, you ate now.
I ate so much that day.
As it was bad, she ate. So we sat down, picked our colors. It was stressful. It was amazing. It was overwhelming. Like
It was a whole process.
it was a whole process. We had to pick colors. We had to decide on what to do, how to name the colors, the kind of palette we want, how the palettes would look, the packaging and all of that. So we did everything, and now the palettes are ready.
Woo! Woo!
Hot! Amazing!
Amazing!
Sweet! Portable! Do you want to see?
Sure.
Oh, wait.
I'm so
I'm particular about the packaging because
yes, Diola is very picky when it comes to her packaging.
Like
So picky.
seriously, if you know me, you know that I don't joke with details.
No, she doesn't.
I love
The
details.
black and gold. It stands
Black and
out.
gold, yeah,
It stands out.
very well.
Very obvious. You can't miss it.
So we picked out a very nice velvety cover.
It is so pretty, and I am so proud to have been part of this palette. It is so portable, like literally, it's lightweight. Like look at this. It's so lightweight. It's for the everyday girl. It is for the makeup artist. It's for the working mom. It's for the working class girls. It's for everyone. Do you understand? And we arranged it in such a way. I must say myself, I did a good job. I arranged the colorful palette in such a way that when you want to work with the same colors, you have the shimmer of the pink, you have the matte of the pink, and you have colors that coordinate, shimmery blue, matte blue, so you know how to put this on your lid.
Most times I actually do not even wear eyeshadow, but for Beauty by AD, I would wear eyeshadow over and over again.
Of course.
Yeah, it's
Make that queen, girl.
Yes, girl. So the nude palettes, we have rose gold, champagne gold. Okay, let me show you guys. We have this black.
Matte.
Can you see this black?
Matte.
Ah,
It doesn't just stand out to the palette.
Super
It speaks. The black speaks. Don't worry, I've seen it all.
See,
That's why I'm talking like this.
It talks.
Okay. And guess what, guys? She named the purple shade after me. The inspiration behind the names of your friends.
Yeah,
and
my
people that were
friends,
dear
yeah,
to your heart,
my
right?
family and friends actually.
Meaning that my family and friends.
The nude palette is called Palette Twisted.
And the colorful palette is called Palette Jazzy. So now we're just going to create some looks with the palette. If you guys want to watch and learn some tips and tricks on how to apply the Imani eyeshadow palette, keep on watching. So today I'm going to be making use of the Jazzy palette, which is the very colorful palette, and I'm going to be creating somewhat something like a sunset eye. And to do that, I'm going to start off with the shade Dior. Don't worry, I'm still going to use the brush. You already know. I'm going to start with this orange shade right here named Dior. I'm going to pack that over my knee. So what are you doing?
Okay, to be honest, I really don't know, but I think I would be going in with this shade here. I want to, yeah, I'm going for a eye. So let's just see how it goes. Wish me luck.
And guys, guess what? The palette has a mirror, which is key for me. Like you already know. You already know. I can't be dropping the palette and picking another mirror. That's just disgusting. Oh my god, that black is black. That black is black, guys. I wish I was doing a smoky eye now. So now that I have placed that color all over my eye, I'm going to go with the shade Topper and blend this orange out, like diffuse it into the crease. You understand?
Okay, now that I've used shads, I'm gonna go in with the shade Coax and blend it into the crease.
Yes,
right?
the crease. Okay, yeah, it's called your crease.
My crease, yeah, my crease.
Yes. And I'm using a small detailed brush. So now I'm just gonna take a blending brush. Tapered blending brush. I'm looking for a tape again. Okay, I'm just going to take a tapered blending brush and I'm trying to just blend out the edges. And while I'm doing this, I also want to ask them some questions. Like, what was your inspiration, behind bringing out a brand? Because your brand really stands out. It's very different. It's not copy and paste, because we have plenty of copy and paste in Nigeria. It's not copy and paste. So what exactly was the motive behind, Beauty by AD for you?
I have this burning passion for makeup, right from childhood. Yeah. Not just makeup generally, but my own makeup, like my own brand. Having to see my name on products and all of that. So I've been procrastinating for so long. I procrastinated for so long. I think it was in 2013.
Yeah.
I decided to, let me do this. And later I'll do it. This guy is big.
Yes, for everyone. Yes.
Let me start now, not when I'm 30, 35, when I'm old,
Yeah.
I just needed to start from not like I needed to start from there. I needed to start what I love.
Yeah.
Yes. So then boom, it happened. And I'm happy, I'm proud. The growth is there, consistency is there.
Yes.
You're unique. Like she said, yes, yeah, I know.
She knows they're very unique.
Yeah.
So as you guys know, I have my own brand as well, Binwabeauty Cosmetics, and the first thing I launched were my color burst eyeliners. So today we're going to be using some color burst eyeliners. I am going to be using Purple Rain, and Jella is going to be using
Betty Blue. Betty is actually my favorite.
Jella cannot do makeup without using the color burst eyeliners. Every day I see her snap, there's a color there. Yeah. Always. It's like, it's for her, it's a routine.
It has to be there.
So I don't know why it is not your routine yet. So we're just applying the color burst eyeliners to our lower lash line. This Betty Blue looks so good. Yeah. So next I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to go in with, you guys already knew I was going to dive into Ugo, right? Because this look, it's not going to be complete without Ugo. Okay, so I'm going to dive into Ugo from the colorful palette as well. I'm going to use that to smoke out the Purple Rain eyeliner.
I'm going in with the shade Dami. I'm about to create some magic under my eye.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
To pop a little bit more.
Oh my god, guys, this purple! So we're just gonna dust up the under eye bit, and then we don't have a lot of fallout as you can see, but just dusting off the under eye bit. If there was any fallout, we're dusting it off as well. Now, what advice do you have for anyone that is about to start a brand, and just start off in life in general? Do you have any advice? Do you have any advice for our girls out there?
Okay, my advice is that you should do whatever you need to do, whatever you love, go for it. Do not procrastinate. But let me do like all these women, mothers.
Yes.
Do not procrastinate. Focus. And take your time.
Yes.
Don't rush. Don't say, oh, because this person is doing it, I have to do it. Do you rush? Don't copy. The original.
Shade. But no shade. Okay, now I'm just contouring my face using my, Zaron powder. You guys already know this is done. I'm supposed to go and buy another one.
I'm contouring with my Eye Control Classic.
Classic.
It's LA Pride. LA girl. LA Pride. So get it.
So now we're just making use of the sleek blush in Life's a Peach. It's my favorite, and every time I do Jola's makeup, that is the blush I use for her.
Life is a peach.
As you know, I love to put blush on my nose, everywhere on jaw. I just
Me too.
She copies, even though does she does.
Me too. Whatever. I said do not copy. Stop it.
No,
I don't copy.
You copy.
I don't.
You copy me,
But I don't.
No, but you do.
Okay, I copy. No, I. Okay.
So to get my glow on, I'm going to be using the Mood Beauty So Lighter Glow Palette. I'm just going to dip into these two shades right here and just get my glow on.
I am going in with the Fenty Beauty Main Money. Hustler Baby. Yeah.
Hustler Baby. I'm just going to get my glow on.
Let's go in a little bit of this one.
Hey.
Okay, girl. I need to have that Nigerian touch to it.
Like I must say, right now, Nigerian brands are putting in effort into their products, and the only thing I think they should also put in effort into. The only thing I also feel they should put effort into is the quality of the product as well. Bringing out products, being thoughtful that yes, you want to bring out something for me to use that is a Nigerian owned brand, you understand, but also putting thought into the quality and also package it in such a way that I'm not seeing 5 of you using the same thing.
Word.
Next, we're just going to line our lips. I'm going to line my lips using the Zaron Bold lip liner and Della.
I will be lining my lips with the Elsa Pro lip liner.
What color?
What's the color? It says chestnut.
Della has like a very unique shaped lip. I don't know. Anytime I put her lipstick for her, like I'm just like, it's more obvious when she puts her lipstick on. Like her cupid bow is so defined, unlike mine.
Thank you.
So you guys know I use Beauty by Eddie lip glosses a lot, and her lipsticks in general. She has 8. They're over like 11 or 12 now. 14. She has 14 shades in both glosses and liquid lipsticks. But of recent, she came out with 2 shades, and they are Orchid and Crimson. These are the shades here. I'm going to use this shade and also her clear gloss on my lips to create something nice. Della, you look so pretty.
Thank you. And I'll be going in with the Glint and Gleam. If you follow me, you would know Glint and Gleam because I use them a lot.
Now I'm just going in with the clear gloss. Della's phone keeps ringing. So we're going to set our faces right now. I'm going to be using the TM Essentials Hydrating Face and Body Glow Mist with Angel. That is so long. This is her beauty side.
And I'll be setting mine with fix matte. Okay, fix was matte.
Yeah, and I think MAC is everyone's look. Anyway. No, I'm not done. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, these palettes are to die for. These palettes are really nice, very pigmented. Little of the colors are just like popping. And look at Biola here. Look at Biola here looking so beautiful. Like, I'm legit jealous of her makeup right now. Look at you.
Look at you. You look good too. You look good too.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also Diola's YouTube channel. I will link everything down below. Also, click the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload videos, and give this video a thumbs up so YouTube knows that you love the video and you love us. Don't forget to drop a comment down below. Tell us how we look. What do you think of our looks?
What do you think about the palette?
What's the palette? Do you like them? Are you going to get one? Get one.
You should. Actually should.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.